Chip Wade here, back in New York City. We just finished filming a live morning show broadcast on Fox & Friends, talking about some of my favorite DIY projects this spring. Check out ShockStrap. This is the solution if you've ever had a ratchet strap that's gotten loose and the payload that you were trying to secure has moved around a little bit. These guys will not allow that to happen. And they do that with a really ingenious integrated bungee that's inside the ratchet strap. Now this bungee is made of polyurethane and not rubber, so it's going to be impervious to all kinds of chemicals, to gas, even to UV and sunlight that would deteriorate rubber and cause it to fail over time. These guys have an amazing 2-year warranty, and they have additional features like these straps around the hooks for infinite versatility. Now, all the hardware is zinc plated. It lasts 5 times longer than chrome, and they even have a safety strap alongside the bungee so it won't allow it to over tighten. That bungee keeps that constant pressure on the anchor points to guarantee that your payload isn't going anywhere. You can find out more at ShockStrap.com.